Hello everybody. In this video, we're going to show you how to take a singular noun and make it plural. Most singular nouns are made plural by simply putting or adding an S at the end of the word. But there are many different rules regarding pluralization depending on what letter a noun ends in. Irregular nouns do not follow plural noun rules, so they must be memorized or looked up. There are many plural noun rules, and because we use nouns so frequently, it's important to know all of them. So let's get started. First, let's make a regular noun plural, and we do this by simply adding S to the end. This is the most common way to form a plural noun. So we have cat, which is singular, cats is plural. Dog becomes dogs. School becomes schools. House, houses. The second rule, if the singular noun ends in S, double S, SH, CH, X, or Z, or Z, then we add an ES to the end in order to make it plural. Boss becomes bosses. Bus, buses. Lunch, lunches. Tax, taxes. No one likes that word, I think. Index, indices or indexes. So one follows the rule and the other is perhaps more irregular than the first. Appendix, appendixes, or appendices. Appendices is the more popular form. Blitz, blitzes. Buzz, buzzes. By the way, bees buzz. Rule number 3. In some cases, singular nouns ending in S or Z, Z, require that you double the S or Z before you add the ES. There aren't many of these, and there's just one that I use frequently, and that is quiz, which becomes quizzes. In the United States, if you're studying, we have a lot of quizzes in class. By the way, a quiz and a test are slightly different. A quiz is like a small test. Rule number 4. If the noun ends with F or FE, the F is often changed to VE before adding the S to form the plural version. So wife becomes wives. Wolf, wolves. Leaf on a tree becomes many leaves. Now there are exceptions to this rule. Roof is roofs. Belief becomes many beliefs. Chef is chefs. And chief becomes chiefs. The 5th rule is as follows. If a singular noun ends in Y and the letter before the Y is a consonant, not a vowel, change the ending to IES to form the plural noun. So city becomes cities. Puppy, a small dog, becomes puppies. Baby, babies. Fly, flies. Remember, that's the noun and not the verb. The 6th rule is if the singular noun ends in Y and the letter before the Y is a vowel, not a consonant, then we simply add an S to make it a plural. Ray becomes rays. Boy, boys. Toy, toys. The 7th rule, if the singular noun ends in O, add ES to make it a plural. Potato, potatoes. Tomato, or tomato in British English, becomes tomatoes or tomatoes. But there are exceptions to this rule as well. Very common word, photo, becomes photos without the E. Piano, pianos. And volcano can be formed with either form. Volcanoes with the E or volcanoes without. Both are correct. The eighth rule, if the singular noun ends in US, the plural ending is frequently I. And these are foreign words. These are words we've borrowed generally, I think, from the Greek in this instance. Cactus becomes cacti. Focus, foci. Nucleus, nuclei. Alumnus, alumni. The ninth rule is if the singular noun ends in IS, the plural ending is ES. So you just switch these or exchange these endings. Analysis becomes analyses. Ellipsis becomes ellipses. Diagnosis becomes diagnoses. And again, these are foreign words that we've borrowed into English or use in English. The 10th rule, if the singular noun ends in ON and is of a Greek origin, like rule number 8 was, then the plural ending is an A. Phenomenon is a singular. Phenomena is a plural noun. Criterion is the singular and criteria are the plural. Next, some nouns don't change at all when they're pluralized, and this is rather perplexing for non-native speakers. Sheep, many sheep. Series, many series. I've watched many TV series this week. Species, many species. One deer, many deer. Mark caught one fish, but I caught 3 fish. Plural noun rules for irregular nouns actually don't follow any specific rules, which means that you must memorize them. So let's list the most common here. Child, children. Goose is the singular and geese is the plural. One man, many men. One woman, many women. One tooth, many teeth. One foot, many feet. One mouse, a few mice. And one person, many people. And that concludes our discussion of the plural nouns in English and how to convert them from singular to plural. If you enjoyed this video, like it, make a comment if you so desire, and let your friends know about it. Thanks for watching and see you next Monday.